Good morning everyone. Today I have taken the problem of polynomial, second chapter polynomial of class 9th. So question is verify that, very important question, verification. We have to do the verification. Verify that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to half of x plus y plus z in bracket x minus y the whole square plus y minus z the whole square plus z minus x the whole square. So before proving this, before doing this verification, two things we have to keep in mind. One, we should know all the identities, and other one, which side we have to use, either left hand side or right hand side. So seeing this problem, we can choose the left hand side because we know the formula, we know the identity for this one. So we will choose the left hand side part. So I am writing LHS part. So I will be choosing LHS part for proving the right hand side part. So LHS is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Now we will use the identity, that is step 2. So what is the identity formula for this? So you have to write in bracket, that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to minus xyz is equal to x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z in first bracket. Then in the second one it will be coming x square plus y square, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus y z minus zx. This is the identity we are going to use. After that we will be substituting this value there. So it will be x plus y plus z. You have to write again x plus y plus z. Then in bracket x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Now third step, what we have to do, we have to see the right hand side part because we have to prove this only. We have to get from left hand side this one. So just match with this. So what all things here it is given, 1/2 is given. So what we have to do, we have to just write half here. Why we have written half? Because it is given in the right hand side. But for writing half, also you have to see one more thing. If you have written half, so also you have to multiply with 2 so that 2 and 2 get cancelled, so that the line become again the same line which is before, that is this one. So what I have to do, just multiply with 1 by 2 also, then write x plus y plus z and multiply that 2 with all these terms. We have to multiply that 2 with all this term so that we get the balanced line, so that 2 and 2 get cancelled and we get the same line again. So this will be 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx after multiplying with 2. We have to multiply 2 with this one, not this one, because this is multiplication. If I take 2 common outside, that 2 will come here, that 2 and 2 get cancelled. For proving this RHL left hand side right hand side part, we have to multiply 2 with this only, not with this, because if we take 2 common also, it will be coming here, then 2 and 2 get cancelled, you will get the same line again. After that, what you have to do, just write half of x plus yz. See, this is same in right hand side. We got this much, we got this much. Now we have to get this one. So for that we have to solve this one. What we have to do, just open this one, 2x square. You know, x square plus x square is 2x square. Then so it can be written as x square plus x square, then y square plus y square, then z square plus z square. Don't open this one, write as it is, minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx, then close the bracket. After that, we have to do this in the form of this identity, you know very well, a minus b the whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, in the form of this. So same, you have to write half of x plus y plus z. After that, we will arrange these terms. one by one in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. First we will start with, see the two, this part. First one is minus 2xy. So first we will do for xy. For that we need first term x square, then y square, then you can write minus 2xy. Similarly, for the second one, that is minus 2yz, for the second one, that is minus 2yz, you have to write plus y square, then it is z, so plus z square, then you can write minus 2yz. This is again in the form of a minus b the whole square. After that again we have to do for minus 2zx, so we have to choose z square, then one more is left, x square, then we have minus 2z x bracket close. See, 1x square is there, 1x square is there, so total 2x square, y square, 2y square, z square, 2z square. So this is same one, we have arranged them. After that, the last we will get the solution, half of x plus y plus z. So this is of the form a minus b the whole square in terms of x and y. So you will get x minus y the whole square. Then this is in terms of y and z, so you will get y minus z the whole square. Then at last this will be z minus x the whole square, which is the LHS right hand side part. We got the same, so you can write which is equal to right hand side. So we got LHS equal to, we got therefore LHS equal to RHS. So for this type of verification, you should know must all the identities. Then which side you have to use, just see for which formula, for which identity the question is given suitable. Choose that side, then use the identities, then arrange the terms. Then you can prove this type of problem very easily. Thank you.